How to get a Shein gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get a Shein gift card. Now, first things first, in order to get Shein gift card, the easiest way to get them is to buy them. So you can easily head over to website or browser and check where this Shein gift card is available and you can make a purchase. However, if you want to get them for free, what you can do is you can take part in branded surveys, which is one of the easiest ways to get a free Shein gift card. Now the other way is to take part in giveaways, contests and other surveys as well. Now various contests and giveaways are held on various social media platforms such as Facebook and YouTube and TikTok as well. So you can take part in them and try your luck if you can get one from there. Similarly, you can get them by doing various surveys as well. So this way you can get a Shein gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.